Friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are here conducting AutoCAD tutorials. Today we are going to second lecture of AutoCAD. Learn shortcut keys. So get started. Here are the short keys for AutoCAD. Now we'll be discussing one by one. So first one is Control N. If we are pressing Control N, then we would get a file from the AutoCAD. To obtain a new drawing, a tab in AutoCAD. Control S. To save any drawing files, we are using Control S. Control Shift S. It would work as a save as file, so it is similar to Control S. Control plus 0. If we are pressing Control plus 0, drawing area and hidden palettes and tabs are not shown. Here you can see we are getting a large drawing area. So our command, we are seeing only command section only we are seeing. We would get larger drawing area. Control plus 1. Control plus 1 is used for property balance. List of property of objects we can select. Here in the dialog box shows general 3D visualization, board size, view, my miscellaneous also. Control plus 2. Design center palette we are getting. We can get the various symbols used in our daily life. For any building, we can select bedrooms, kitchen, dining sets, etc. in this design center palette. Control plus 3 is used for elevation object. We can get door, windows, etc. in this elevated object in Control plus 3. Control plus 9. Control plus 9 is used for visibility of command line. If we don't need a visibility line, command line, then we are using Control plus 9. So command line will be disappearing. And if we are using Control plus line again, the command line comes to appear. Control C. We are using Control C daily life to copy any object. Control V used to paste any copied object. Control Shift plus V. This is a special paste object in a block. If we need the object in a block, then we are using Control plus Shift plus V. It is a special paste object. Control plus Z. If we are going to last action of drawing, then we are using Control plus Z. We will be back to our last drawing. Control plus Y. It is a redo, means the performed drawings will reappear. Control plus tab. Control plus tab is used for opening drawing tabs. If we need different drawings, we can use Control plus tab to enter into a different drawings. Thank you guys.